If you want to hide a photo or a video on the Motorola Moto G56, then you can use a locked folder. To do so, we're gonna go to the Photos app. So let's open the app drawer, go to Google, and then we can go to the Photos app over here. Now in this case, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna start selecting everything that I wish to hide. So we can start by pressing and holding our finger on the first file. Once we have the first item selected, we can keep tapping on anything else that we wish to move to the locked folder. And then over here at the bottom, we're gonna swipe all the way in order to find move to locked folder option over here. So we can tap here, press continue, and then move. Wait a couple of seconds. And then once it is moved, then you should be able to see this confirmation. You can go to collections and scroll down in order to find the locked option over here. So this is how it works. Of course, we need to use the screen lock of the lock screen. Sorry, the password of the lock screen. Unfortunately, in my case, the keyboard is bugged for some reason, so I have to use my fingerprint sensor. But there it is. We have our hidden photos. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.